What's up everybody, today I'm going to clean the interior of the Mitsubishi Lancer with an extractor, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So first I'm going to roll down the windows, and now I'm going to take out both front seats and the back seats. But first I'm going to disconnect the battery, the negative terminal of the battery, because we don't want any problem with the wiring and anything like that. So let's go to the engine bay and disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. That day was difficult to record for me the audio of the video, so I recorded it later. So to take out these seats, the front seat, we need a 14mm socket, and we are going to take out 2 nuts and 2 bolts. This one is one nut and this one is the other one, and here we have a bolt and the other one is right here. So to take out that bolt, we need to take out this center console, and we are going to take out these 2 screws with a normal Phillips screwdriver, and we are going to take out this like this. And as you can see, there is a bolt, and this is the other one for the other seat. So now that we take out all the bolts and nuts, we are going to take the seat from here, and we are going to push like this, and you need to check if your seat have any wiring. If you have any wiring, you only need to disconnect it, and that's it. As you can see, mine do not have anything of that, so I can take out this seat, and I just take it out. And yes, we are going to clean, I'm going to clean all of this, and here I have the seat, because I'm going to clean all the seats outside the car, because it's easier for me like that with the extractor. So now I'm going to put the 2 nuts and the 2 bolts in here, because I don't want them to get loose. So yes, I'm doing this right here. So with both front seats out, we are going now to take out the rear seat. And to take out the rear seat, I'm going to show you where you need to pull, because the lower part of the seat, you need to pull it in this section that I'm going to show you right here. So after pulling this both section of the lower part of the seat, we are going to pull it like this, and then you are good to take out this part of the seat, like I'm going to do it right here. After this, I'm going to take out this back part right here, and there are 3 bolts that hold this part that I'm gonna show you right here. We are going to need a 12mm socket to take out these 3 bolts, and then to take out this part we are going to pull it up, like I'm going to show you here, because these seats have 3 hooks in the back that I'm going to show you right here. So after taking everything off, now I'm going to clean first of all the carpets of the seat, and I'm going to use just a brush like this one that I'm going to show you in this part, and I'm going to use the vacuum. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it both at the same time, and it's like this. So after vacuuming the carpets, now I'm going to shampoo the carpets with this product right here. First, I'm going to put the greaser in both carpets that are upholstery and plastic, and then I'm going to, with the water hose, I'm going to rinse everything like this. You can use the brush that you use early or a softer one, that doesn't matter, but I'm going to use the softer one. And then after this, I'm going to use the shampoo and a drill brush that I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. So here I'm going to take the shampoo and the drill brush. Sorry if I forgot some words, you know that my first language is Spanish, so I'm going to do it everything like this. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the carpet that is on the car. As you can see, I do not have the vacuum on right here. I'm just showing you how I'm going to do it. But yes, I'm going to do it like this, all the carpet, and then I'm going to shampoo, and then with the extractor. Now I'm going to shampoo the carpet with the cleaner and this brush, and I'm going to agitate a little bit, and then I'm going to use the extractor. But if you do not have a extractor, you can just use this and agitate with a brush, and then with a microfiber towel or a clean towel you can rub it, and that's it. So now I have this carpet clean, and now I'm going to use the same methods for the seats that I have right here. So the same method. First of all, I'm going to vacuum the seats with a brush, and then I'm going to shampoo the seats, and then I'm going to use the extractor. Okay, now that I'm just waiting this to dry, I'm going to clean the interior, the plastic interior of the car, like this, just with these protecting wipes, because it's easier and it is fast to do it like this. Now that I'm done with the plastic in the interior, I'm going to put the seats, but remember that for the back of the back seat you need 3 bolts. Just remember to put it. And now I'm going to put the front bolts and nuts, and for these nuts you are going to use 22 pound-feet of torque, and for the rear bolts you are going to use 33 pound-feet of torque to tightening all of this. So now I'm going to put a new carpets that I bought that are for a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 8 or 9, but it fits perfectly in our cars. So yes, here as you can see, I put the new carpets in here. And yes, I hope you like this video. This is all for the video. The car is also dirty outside, so tell me in the comments if you want a video of how I clean the outside of the car, how I wash the car. And yes, I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and see you on the next video.